SQL joins. What does a join mean? A join helps us retrieve information from two or more tables. How we do that? Well, there are a few types of joins. The first one and most basic one being the inner join. The inner join will retrieve only the data that can be found in both tables. We have an example here. We have two tables, the orders table and the clients table. We can see that the orders table has 5 columns: order number, product number, client number, quantity, and month ID. The order number is the primary key of the orders table. This one uniquely identifies each record from the orders table. The product number specifies the product that was ordered within each order, and the client number, the client that ordered the product. The quantity is the quantity of the product, and the month ID is the month that the products were ordered. Next, we have the clients table, where we have the client number, the primary key of the table, the name of the client, and the city the client is based in. So we can see that the client number can be found in the table orders and also in the table clients. The one from table orders being the foreign key of the table. It refers to the client number from the clients. What we want to do is take the records that can be found in both orders and clients tables based on the client number. So we want to retrieve the clients that can be found both in orders table and in clients table. How we do so? By selecting the information that we want to retrieve from the orders, inner join the clients. This is how we link the two tables, and we link them based on the client number column. And then the database will return the following result. Let's analyze a bit the tables and see that the client with the ID 2004 did not order any product. We can't see the client from Berlin in the table orders. Every other client, 2001, 2002, 2003, all have at least one order. Also, there is an order that doesn't have any client. We just don't know which client placed the order. So in the result, we will have the orders from 5001 to 5006. These are the orders that have clients that can be found in both tables, 2001, 2002, 2003. The next type of join is the left join and the right join. The left join will take the data that can be found in table 1 and omit the data that can be found only in the second table, while the right join will do the same thing, but the main table being the second one. I took the same example with 4 clients and 7 orders and used the right join. By doing this, I want to return every client from the second table, whether he ordered a product or not. So the result will be this one with all the cities from the clients table, including Berlin, where the company will not ship any product. You see Berlin with no orders. The last type of join is the full outer join. It will take the data from both tables, whether or not it's found in both tables. With the same example, we used the full outer join on the client number column, and the result will consist of every data in the two tables. We have all orders from 5001 to 5007, even if the last order doesn't have a city to go to. And we will have all clients, the one from Bucharest, the one from London, Paris, and also the one from Berlin, even if he didn't order any product. These are the joins. Now let's see some exercises in order to understand them better.